Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen concentrator. First, always ensure your device is placed on a flat, stable surface, maintaining at least 6 inches of clearance from walls or furniture. This allows for proper ventilation and prevents overheating. Next, visually inspect the air intake filter to confirm it is clean and free of dust or debris. Finally, carefully examine the power cord for any signs of damage before securely plugging it into a grounded electrical outlet. Safety is paramount. Now let's connect the essential components. Begin by filling your humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line marked on the bottle. Overfilling can cause issues. Then, carefully screw the filled humidifier bottle onto the oxygen concentrator's designated oxygen outlet port, ensuring a tight seal. Finally, attach one end of your oxygen tubing, which will lead to your cannula or mask, to the outlet nozzle on the humidifier bottle. With everything connected, it's time to power on. Locate and press the power button on your concentrator. You should hear it start up. Allow a few minutes for the device to reach its optimal oxygen concentration. Next, carefully adjust the flow meter dial to your specific prescribed liter per minute setting. This is crucial for effective therapy. Finally, confirm the oxygen flow by observing small bubbles in the humidifier bottle, or by feeling the gentle flow from your nasal cannula. Maintaining your concentrator ensures its longevity and your safety. Clean the air intake filter at least once a week using mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Remember to replace the distilled water in your humidifier bottle every day to prevent bacterial buildup. If you notice any persistent alarms, unusual noises, or a significant reduction in oxygen flow, please contact your medical equipment supplier immediately for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.